nyifite ni shake. Jesus Christ. Iyi shake bayishize mu mazina ya Ishimwe Clement. Hey Clement, you did sing.
Oh yeah man. Oh yeah.
Clement ngo ngwino hano. You come. Ladies and gentlemen, is it tax inclusive or exclusive? Because zishobora kuba 11.8 mu mikino. Okay. I think usually you deserve to say something. Now you can give a comment. Comment on all 9 songs, all the 8. Nizitaraso.
Mwiriwe abanyakibero bose bari hano, inshuti za Kina Music, abafana n'abavandimwe mwese muri aho. Nishimiye kuba ndi hano uyu munsi. Nengabo Platini, ndi umufana ukomeye w'amarange, mwakoze ibintu byaryoshye, twishimye. Congratulations. Nari umufana w'indatwa kera. Rero it's beautiful kuba turi aha ngaha. Thank you for the invitation. Impamvu mamagaye uno mupapa hano niwe wanumiye. Sorry Nengabo na Platini ntago banekereje. Ngira ngo ata yabivuzeho aho nuruki wacu hari ahirya mu nka. Iyo umuvandimwe agize igikorwa cyiza cyangwa success runaka mu buzima, ubu namuhinga. Jewe rero kuko ndi umu.com ntago ndagira ifamu. That is the smallest contribution I could give. Ngira ngo abatabizi uyu munsi Clement arizihiza imyaka 20 amaze as a producer. So aba bantu ni inshuti zanjye, ni umuryango. So kugira gake nshoboye natanga, it's such an honor. Thank you so much. Bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.